This is BM222 preparing a gram stain slide. Alright, we're going to prepare a gram stain slide here. So we're going to use our inoculating loop and just lightly touch it to one of the colonies here. So find the bit. You don't want to scoop it out, just lightly touch. And then apply 1 drop of sterile saline to the slide. Just like that. And get up here. Swirl your inoculating loop into the saline. That. And you can circle where your spot is with a wax pencil. That will, once you stain it, it'll make it easier to see. So after you circle it with your wax pencil, you allow it to air dry until it's completely dry. So we'll just set it somewhere that has a good airflow, and we'll continue when it's dry. Alright, now that we have our dried slide, you want to pass it under a flame, over a flame for 2 to 3 times. Make sure it's not too hot. Alright, so you place your heat fixed slide on a stand in the sink, and we'll flood it with crystal violet. And we'll let that stand for 1 minute. Alright, so after your minute, you want to rinse it briefly in water.
Brian, can you come to the front, please?
Okay. And now you flood it with your iodine, and you let that stand for 1 minute. Let that stand for 1 minute. And after a minute, you're gonna rinse again. And now you're going to add your decolorizer for 5 to 10 seconds. One. Alright. And then you rinse again. And now you add your saffron. And you let that stand for 1 minute. Alright, after 1 minute, rinse one last time.
Did we survive the vaccinations? Oh, good.
And then you blot dry. Be careful not to smear or rub, because that can mess up your bacteria sample. Just gently blot dry. Alright, now that we have our stain slide, we'll put it under our microscope. Turn it on, and we'll start on low power. Bring it into focus. Make sure you're over the spot in between your wax pencil drew. And we'll switch to our 10 objective. Just again. And then we'll switch to our 30 high dry. Use your fine adjustment knob.
An appointment here for Dr. David, please.
Then you'll swing to your oil. Oil immersion. Add a drop of oil. Use your fine adjustment knob. Okay, so we are looking at gram-positive cock's eye. See our purple, they're round, they're in clusters.